Welcome back to Paadam Padikalam. 5th Standard Social Unit 2 Agriculture Part 2. In Part 1, you have learned about types of farming. In Part 2, you are going to learn about water resource for agriculture. Water resource for agriculture. There are no perennial rivers in Tamil Nadu. What is perennial? This word is very new to you, isn't it? Perennial, in which the water is controlled so that it can be made to run into the land at regular intervals throughout the year. Perennial means everlasting. Is a method of irrigation system which requires a long canal system. Tamil Nadu depends on northeast and southeast monsoon. Hence, agriculture in Tamil Nadu is dependent on groundwater. CGWB. What is CGWB? Central Groundwater Board. They monitors the level and nature of groundwater. CGWB, Central Groundwater Board. What is irrigation? Irrigation is the supply of water to land or crops for the purpose of agricultural production. Irrigation helps to grow agricultural crops, maintain landscapes, revegetate disturbed soils in dry areas and during periods of less than average rainfall. Types of irrigation: well irrigation, canal irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, drip irrigation. Well irrigation. Well irrigation has been practiced in Tamil Nadu for many generations. Archaic well irrigation. Do you remember this word archaic? In previous topic we learned this word. Archaic means ancient. It is a less expensive type of irrigation. Also we have a modern well irrigation. Canal irrigation. Canal irrigation is the most important form of irrigation in India. Most of the North Indian canal are perennial. The word perennial is repeated over again. Perennial means everlasting. Long canal. Perennial means long canal. The main canal irrigated areas are in the northern plains of India, such as Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan and Bihar. Next, sprinkler irrigation. Sprinkler irrigation is similar to natural rainfall. Water is sprayed through pipes in the air through sprinklers. Drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a type of micro irrigation system that saves water and soil nutrients. In this system, water drips slowly into the roots of plants through pipes. Pipes can be either above the soil surface or buried below the surface. The water directly reaches the roots and minimizes evaporation. Green revolution. Have you heard about this word green revolution? Green revolution is a process which brought an increase in crop production by using new varieties of seeds, pesticides and new agricultural techniques. Have you seen this personality? Can you able to name? Dr. M.S. Swaminathan of Tamil Nadu is known as father of Green Revolution in India. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed Paadam Padikalam channel, today is the day to subscribe to get the next lesson.